Top plants that survive harsh zone 4 winters. Arctic fire. Red twig dogwood. This shrub will add a bright spot of glowing red color to your landscape during the cold winter months. The stems turn bright red in the winter and look fabulous against the white snow. The stems can be cut to create gorgeous outdoor planters and holiday decorations. Berry Poppins Winterberry Holly. The Berry Poppins Winterberry Holly is a fantastic option for people wanting to grow winterberry shrubs, but with minimal space. These dwarf shrubs are compact, but still produce a great show in the winter once the leaves drop and the berries grow. Butterfly milkweed. There are a lot of reasons to grow butterfly weed, above and beyond its vibrant orange flowers and drought tolerance. This plant has become the poster child for saving the monarch butterflies, and for good reason. Cat's pajamas. Catmint. The cat's pajamas catmint is a fragrant long bloomer that looks great in any landscape. It is drought tolerant, resistant to deer and rabbits. This perennial is compact and fits into smaller spaces. It has continuous blooms that are a unique indigo blue that adds color to your space. Firelight tidbit. Hydrangea. If you've always wanted a hydrangea in your garden but didn't have enough room for it, you're in luck. You've found the smallest, tidiest hydrangea variety yet. Firelight tidbit. Panicle hydrangea is the smallest panicle hydrangea ever. It grows to a maximum of 3 feet tall. But it's certainly not short on the beautiful mophead flowers that we adore. Japanese caria. Gardeners with shady landscapes know how difficult it is to find flowering shrubs that bloom well without a fair amount of sunlight. This ability makes the Japanese caria, also known commonly as the Japanese rose, features bright golden yellow flowers that resemble an old-fashioned rose or chrysanthemum. Luminary ultraviolet phlox. An improved version of the ever-popular Nikki garden phlox, this hybrid is going to bring you increased disease resistance and even more flowers. Snow white mock-orange. Mock-orange shrubs are some of the most loved flowering bushes of spring. With a scent resembling oranges and snow-white double blooms, snow white mock-orange, Philadelphus, will delight as a classic garden plant. Summerific Holy Grail hibiscus. Summerific Holy Grail hibiscus is a hardy version and will look great in your yard. It has almost black foliage that is paired with large, deep red blooms. This one brings hummingbirds to your yard while looking amazing. Tater Tot arborvitae. The tater tot arborvitae is a great addition to any garden. The small rounded shape is carefree and will fit into just about any space. This proven winner's color choice shrub can even tolerate shaded areas, which is uncommon for most arborvitae or evergreen shrubs in general. Explore top plants that survive harsh zone 4 winters. For more plants and ideas, follow the link in the description.